So, inter integrated circuits. It's I square C, I 2 C. So, inter-integrated circuit. So, it's a system for serial data exchange between the microcontroller and specialized integrated circuit for new generation. Okay. So, this is mainly used to when distance between in the distance might be a SAT, the receiver transmitter, usually same printed board. It is there for communication. They are using integrated circuits. So it is mainly used for distance between the means SAT. That means transmitter receiver are present in same printed board. Then they are using. So connection is established via two conductors. One is used for data transfer. Another is used for synchronization. That means clock signal. So inter-integrated circuit having two conductors. One is data transfer, another one is for synchronization. That is nothing but clock signal. You know that master microcontroller, slave ABD converter, slave thermometer, slave sensor. So similarly, this is the way they will be connected and transferring data synchronization with the clock signal. And board of I2C pin. So I2C pin consists of two signals. One is SCL, another one is SDA. SCL is the clock signal and SDA is the data signal. The following are the pins of the different Arduino board. You know that Uno, Mini, Megadio, Leonardo. So Arduino I2C, we have two modes, master code and slave code that connected to Arduino ports using I2C. That the master transmitter and slave transmitter. Similarly, master receiver and slave receiver. So master transmitter, slave receiver. Okay, let us know what is master transmitter and slave transmitter, how it will work. Master transmitter, so it's used to initialize the wire library and join I2C bus, and master and slave they normally called us only once. Wire begin, that is address. Wire begin transmission, that is also address. And wire write, that's a value. Wire end, that's a transmission. So address is a signed bit slave address, and it will join the bus as a master. Begin transmission of I to slave device given the address. And slave receiver. The following functions are used to write begin address, the address of 7-bit slave address. The functions to be called when slave devices receives data from the master. And master slave, slave master. So master is programmed to request and run the read bytes of the data and send that uniquely addressed by slave Arduino. So following function also used wire request form, slave, and then wire on request. You know that is address and number of bytes that is used in master and slave transmitter. The following functions are used. You know wire on request. Okay. So next need for device driver. So computing refers special kind of software program and specific type of software application which control the specific hardware device that enable different hardware devices for communication with computer operating system. So device driver is very essential for computer and work properly because without device driver the particular hardware will be fail. Accordingly, it fails in doing particularly the function or action which is has been created. So driver also when someone says hardware driver that is also refers to device driver. So this is device driver diagram. So application, user driver, then device driver. What is user driver? I think in the CD that is a user driver and application. So user mode, that is in user driver. Kernel mode, that is a device driver. So working of device driver. Device driver depends upon the operating system, the instruction to access the device and performing and particularly the action after the action. They also show the reaction by delivering output, status or message from hardware devices, the operating system. For example, the printer device tells the printer in which format to print after getting instruction from OS. Similarly, a sound card driver is that due to which one and zeros are data MP3 file converted to audio signal. So you enjoy the music and card reader controller, modem, network card, sound card, printer, video card, USB device, RAM, speaker, etc. need device driver to operate. So device driver we need to that is a very important one. That is a that is sound card, printer, video card, USB. So anything you want to operate, the device driver is must. So the format is important. So the device driver it will be convert the format. So which driver want to open and which driver want to play. The following figure illustrates between OS device driver on the device. So user they having application, operating system, device driver, then device. So this up to device driver that's a software and device is a hardware. So types of device driver. So for most every device associated with the computer system. So here there are two classification. One is kernel mode, another one is user mode. Kernel mode device driver includes some general hardwares which load the operating system, OS and BIOS. And kernel mode these are included minimum system requirement device driver for each operating system. User mode device driver is kernel of our working the system also being some of the device for using system. Drivers falls under user mode device driver. For example, user needs any plug or play action that comes under this. And finally, virtual device driver. Virtual device driver VXT, which manage the virtual devices. Sometimes we can use hardware virtually. In the time virtual device driver control and manage the data flow from different application. So it keeps running efficiently. Many drivers, device and drivers are provided manufactured from beginning. It also can later include any required device driver for our system. Okay, thank you.